Okay, we got a Bose Acoustimass subwoofer or woofer that has something rattling around in it, which is dog food. See, we got a lot of dog food in there. Interesting. I definitely don't want to leave it laying around my floor for various critters to get. So we'll have to put it all inside of a little bag. But first, in order to get them all out, I think I'm going to have to unscrew this thing. I don't know what all we're getting into. And what might fall apart as I'm unscrewing. But there's a bunch of screws. Here. Put into our, so if there's dog food in here, I wonder who put the dog food in there. I wonder if there's like mice or anything in here. So we'll undo the feet as well, because my guess is that's helping hold it down. Okay, so how do we get this puppy open, you might be asking yourself. There's really no place to grab anything. What if we put it on its side? Get a little hooky device. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my word. You see that? All that in there, nice. Well, guess I'll get the shop vac, huh? Yeah. Okay.